So, you've decided to invest in real estate in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida. That's a fantastic move. This sunny paradise is a hotspot for renters, which means your income property has huge potential. But managing a property yourself can be a full-time job. That's where a great property manager comes in. They handle the day-to-day tasks, so you can enjoy the rewards of your investment without the headaches. The first question I always get from new investors is a simple one, but it's incredibly important. How do these property managers get paid for their services? It's a crucial question to ask before you sign any contract. Understanding the fee structure is the key to a successful partnership with your property management company. Think of it this way, you wouldn't build a house without knowing the cost of the materials, right? The same logic applies here. Knowing exactly how and when your manager gets paid helps you budget properly. It ensures there are no surprises down the road that could eat into your profits. A clear fee structure means everyone is on the same page, working toward the same goal. Keeping your property profitable and well-maintained. This knowledge empowers you to make a smart, informed decision for your financial future. When you are looking at different companies in Fort Myers, you will find a few common payment models. Some charge a percentage of the monthly rent. Others might offer a flat monthly fee. There are also one-time fees for specific services like finding and placing a new tenant. Each model has its own pros and cons, and the right one for you depends on your property and your personal preferences as an investor. It's all about finding a balance that feels fair and makes financial sense for your rental property portfolio. My best advice is to never be shy about asking questions. A professional and trustworthy property manager will be happy to walk you through their fees in detail. They should be able to explain every single charge and show you the value you're receiving for it. If a company is vague or avoids talking about costs, that's a major red flag. Your investment property is a significant asset. You deserve to partner with a company that is upfront, honest, and completely transparent about how they operate. This transparency is the foundation of a strong and lasting business relationship. One of the most common ways property managers in Fort Myers get paid is through a percentage of the monthly rent. This is a very popular model, and it's easy to understand. The management company takes a specific percentage of the rent collected from your tenant each month. For example, if the fee is 10% and your property rents for $2,000 per month, the management fee would be $200. This amount is simply deducted from the rent payment before the rest is sent to you, the owner. It's a straightforward system that many investors appreciate. The main advantage of this model is that the property manager's income is directly tied to yours. If your property is vacant and not generating any rent, the management company doesn't get paid either. This gives them a powerful incentive to find and keep good, reliable tenants who pay their rent on time. It aligns their goals with your goals. They are motivated to minimize vacancies and maximize your rental income, because when you make money, they make money. This shared interest can create a very effective and productive partnership for everyone involved. Let's look at a simple example to make it crystal clear. Imagine you own a lovely condo near the beach in Fort Myers. You hire a property management company that charges an 8% monthly management fee. The rent for your condo is set at $2,500 per month. Once the tenant pays the rent, the management company collects it. They then calculate their fee. 8% of $2,500 is $200. They will deduct the $200 for their services and deposit the remaining $2,300 directly into your bank account. It's a simple, recurring transaction that happens every single month. However, it's important to clarify exactly what that percentage is based on. You should always ask if the fee is calculated on rent collected or rent due. Rent collected is usually better for you, the owner. This means the manager only gets paid if the tenant actually pays the rent. If the fee is based on rent due, you might have to pay the management fee even if the tenant is late or fails to pay that month. A reputable company will always be clear about this detail in their management agreement, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Another popular payment structure you'll see in the Fort Myers market is the flat monthly fee. Unlike the percentage-based model, this is a fixed dollar amount you pay every single month, regardless of the rental price. For example, a company might charge a flat rate of $150 per month to manage your property. This can be very appealing for investors who own properties with higher rental incomes. A flat fee provides consistency and predictability, making it incredibly easy to budget your monthly expenses and forecast your net income with greater accuracy. The main benefit of a flat fee is its simplicity. You know exactly what your management cost will be each and every month. If your rent is $2,000, your fee is $150. If you are able to increase the rent to $2,200 next year, your management fee stays the same at $150. This means you get to keep 100% of that rent increase. For owners who prioritize a stable, predictable cash flow statement, the flat fee model can be the perfect fit. It removes the variable of a percentage and gives you a solid number to work with in your financial planning. In addition to monthly management fees, most companies also charge a separate leasing fee, sometimes called a tenant placement fee. This is a one-time charge for the service of finding, screening, and placing a new tenant in your vacant property. This is a lot of work. It includes marketing the property, showing it to prospective renters, running background and credit checks, and preparing the lease agreement. This fee is typically a percentage of the first month's rent, often between 50% and 100%, or sometimes a flat dollar amount. This fee compensates the manager for the significant effort and resources required to secure a high-quality tenant. Let's break down the leasing fee with an example. Suppose your Fort Myers house is vacant, and your property manager charges a leasing fee equal to 75% of the first month's rent. They successfully find a great tenant who signs a lease for $2,400 per month. From that first month's rent payment of $2,400, the management company would retain their fee of $1,800, 75% of $2,400. You, the owner, would receive the remaining $600. After that initial placement, you would then begin paying the regular monthly management fee, whether it's a percentage or a flat rate. Maintenance is, honestly, just an unavoidable part of owning any property. From a leaky faucet to, say, a broken air conditioner, things will eventually need fixing. Many property management companies in Fort Myers will charge a fee for coordinating these repairs. This is often called a maintenance coordination fee, or sometimes a project management fee. It compensates the manager for the time and effort spent handling the issue. That includes taking the tenant's call, troubleshooting the problem, dispatching a qualified and vetted vendor, overseeing the work, and paying the invoice. It's a valuable service that really saves you from those late-night calls and the hassle of finding a reliable repair person. This fee can be structured in a couple of different ways. Some companies charge a small percentage markup on the vendor's invoice. For instance, if a plumbing repair costs $200, the manager might add a 10% coordination fee, making the total charge to you $220. Other companies might have a flat fee for any repair call they handle. It is absolutely essential to understand how your management company handles these costs. You should ask if they have their own in-house maintenance staff, or if they use third-party vendors, and how those vendors are selected for quality and price. Let's imagine your tenant in Fort Myers calls on a hot July afternoon because the air conditioning has stopped working. Your property manager immediately contacts their trusted HVAC technician. The technician goes to the property, diagnoses the problem, and completes the repair. The final invoice from the HVAC company is $450. If your management agreement includes a 10% maintenance coordination fee, your manager would add $45 to the bill. You would then see a total charge of $495 for the repair on your owner statement. This covers the cost of the repair, plus the manager's service in getting it handled swiftly. Now, this is an area where transparency is non-negotiable. A top-tier property management company like County Medallion Property Management will be completely upfront about these fees. They believe in clear communication and no hidden charges. They should be able to provide you with a copy of the actual invoice from the vendor, so you can see the base cost of the repair. This level of honesty builds trust and ensures you that they are working in your best interest to keep maintenance costs reasonable, while still using quality professionals to protect the value of your asset. In the world of property investment, finding a partner you can trust is everything. This is where County Medallion Property Management truly shines in the Fort Myers area. They have built their reputation on a foundation of complete transparency and unwavering professionalism. With them, you will never have to worry about hidden fees or surprise charges appearing on your statement. They believe that you, the property owner, deserve to know exactly what you are paying for. Their management agreement is written in clear, easy-to-understand language, and they will take the time to review every line item with you before you sign. This commitment to honesty is at the core of everything they do. All County Medallion understands that your property is not just a building, it's a significant financial investment and a key part of your future. They treat it with the respect it deserves. Their approach is simple: provide exceptional service with clear communication. Whether it's discussing a maintenance issue, providing an update on tenant screening, or explaining a monthly statement, they keep you in the loop. This open dialogue eliminates confusion and builds the kind of solid, trusting relationship that every investor dreams of having with their property manager. All County Medallion Property Management offers a comprehensive suite of services designed to make your life easier and your investment more profitable. This includes aggressive marketing of your vacant property on top rental websites to attract the best tenants quickly. They conduct rigorous tenant screening, including credit, criminal, and eviction history checks. They handle all rent collection and provide timely direct deposits to you. They also manage all tenant communication and conduct routine property inspections to ensure your asset is being well maintained. From start to finish, they have every detail covered. What truly sets them apart is their dedication to providing value. They don't just collect rent, they actively manage your asset to protect and enhance its value. Their transparent fee structure means you can clearly see the return on your investment in their services. They combine cutting-edge technology with friendly, personal service to deliver an experience that is second to none in Fort Myers. When you partner with All County Medallion, you're not just hiring a property manager, you're gaining a team of dedicated experts who are committed to your success. Choosing the right property manager is, honestly, one of the most important decisions you will make as a real estate investor. It can be the difference between a profitable, stress-free experience and a constant stream of problems and financial losses. The value of transparency cannot be overstated. When a company is upfront about all their fees, it shows respect for you and your investment. It proves they are confident in the value of their services and have nothing to hide. This honesty is the bedrock upon which a successful, long-term partnership is built. You deserve that peace of mind. Imagine not having to worry about late-night tenant calls, chasing down rent payments, or scrambling to find a plumber on a holiday weekend. That is the freedom a great property manager provides. All County Medallion Property Management is dedicated to giving you that freedom. Their professional team handles all the complexities of property management, allowing you to focus on what matters most to you, whether that's finding your next investment property or simply enjoying your life. They take the work off your plate while working hard to maximize your return. Their clear fee structure, combined with their commitment to excellent service, makes them the smart choice for property owners in Fort Myers. You'll always know what to expect, and you can trust that your property is in the best possible hands. They are not just a vendor. They are your strategic partner, invested in helping you achieve your financial goals. Their expertise in the local market ensures your property is priced competitively and managed efficiently, protecting your asset and optimizing your cash flow month after month. If you're ready to experience the benefits of professional, transparent, and trustworthy property management, I highly encourage you to reach out to them. Take the first step toward a more profitable and stress-free investment journey. Let them show you how they can protect your investment and give you the peace of mind you deserve. For more information, contact All County Medallion Property Management today at phone number 239-204-4171 or visit their website at www.allcountymedallion.com.